Did you know that the Kia Sorento has been one of the most popular mid-size SUVs for several years, thanks to its blend of style, technology, and affordability? Today, we're going to take a closer look at the brand new 2025 Kia Sorento, which promises to elevate the game even further with its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. In this review, we'll dive into the key features, pros and cons of this highly anticipated SUV and see if it's worth considering for your next vehicle purchase. As one of the most revered manufacturers in the industry, Kia has built a reputation for delivering high-quality vehicles that are both reliable and affordable. With a rich history dating back to 1944, Kia has come a long way from its humble beginnings as a small parts supplier in South Korea. Over the years, the company has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation, introducing cutting-edge technologies and designs that have captivated audiences worldwide. The Sorento, in particular, has been a flagship model for Kia, boasting an impressive track record of success since its debut in 2002. With each successive generation, the Sorento has evolved to meet the changing needs of the market, earning it a loyal following among SUV enthusiasts. The 2025 Kia Sorento represents a significant leap forward for the model, with a bold new design language that exudes sophistication and refinement. The exterior boasts a chiseled, angular aesthetic, with sharp lines and creases that give it a more aggressive stance. The X-Line trim, in particular, stands out with its sporty accents and blacked-out windows. Inside, the Sorento offers a lavish cabin experience, with premium materials, ample space, and intuitive controls. The available 10.2 5-inch touchscreen display is a highlight, offering seamless connectivity and navigation. Additionally, the Sorento boasts an impressive array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic emergency braking. Under the hood, the 2025 Sorento packs a punch, with a range of engine options to suit different driving styles. The base 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine produces a respectable 191 horsepower, while the optional 2.5-litre turbocharged engine cranks out a potent 281 horsepower. For those seeking maximum efficiency, the hybrid model offers an estimated 34 miles per gallon combined. On the road, the Sorento delivers a smooth, quiet ride thanks to its advanced suspension system and noise-reducing materials. The available all-wheel drive system provides added confidence in inclement weather, making it a great choice for families or adventure seekers. However, the Sorento isn't perfect. Some critics have noted that the handling can be a bit sluggish, particularly when compared to more agile rivals. Additionally, the top trim X-Line's premium price tag may be out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of competition, the 2025 Kia Sorento faces stiff competition from the likes of the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and Ford Explorer. While each of these models has its strengths, the Sorento stands out with its unique blend of style, technology, and value. I had the chance to take the Sorento on a week-long test drive, and I was impressed by its versatility and comfort. Whether tackling daily commutes or long road trips, the Sorento proved to be a capable and enjoyable companion. If you're in the market for a reliable, feature-packed SUV that won't break the bank, the 2025 Kia Sorento is definitely worth considering. With its winning combination of style, technology, and value, it's a strong contender in the mid-size SUV segment. Overall, I'd give the 2025 Kia Sorento a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. While it may not be perfect, it's an excellent choice for families, adventure seekers, and anyone looking for a dependable ride that won't sacrifice style or substance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and car-related content. If you have any thoughts on the 2025 Kia Sorento, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.